Hi everyone, welcome to Lilly Beauty Mantra. This is Mahi. In today's video, we'll know how to make 3 DIY face serums for different skin types. Taking good care of our skin is very important because skin is the largest organ of our whole body. The skin on our face particularly needs more because it is regularly exposed to the outside elements like sunlight, dust, pollution and sweat and may definitely damage the skin, so it needs to be protected to retain its glow and health there from some face serums, which are really good to protect your skin. Using a natural face serum not only going to protect your face from future damages but also reduces the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles. So firstly, let's understand how to apply face serum. Every morning and evening, apply serum after cleaning your face. After that, you may put any other skin product. If serum can be prepared and kept in fridge required, any serum should be applied very lightly so it gets absorbed and does not irritate the skin. Use 4 to 5 drops, apply gently with your fingertips around your face and slightly pat and make it smooth till it's completely absorbed in your skin. Let's see how to make 3 face serums at home for different skin types. These serums can be prepared and kept in fridge for few days, but it's good to prepare fresh whenever you need. For dry skin, mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice. Apply this 4 to 5 drops and store the remaining for next use. Aloe vera gel is a natural moisturizer that soothes sunburns and lightens scars. Coconut oil acts as natural sunscreen, reduces pigmentations and dark circles. It also cures infections because it has antimicrobial properties. Honey provides rich moisture to your skin, removes fine lines and gives natural glow to your skin. Now for oily skin, mix 1 tablespoonful of tomato juice, 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply again 3 to 4 drops at a time on face and neck and store the rest of the juice for the next use. Tomato juice brightens up the oily skin and it has astring effects. It cleanses and shrinks pores for oily skin. Honey reduces excess sebum production, reduces redness and breakout of acne and pimples. For sensitive skin, dissolve 1 tablespoon of sugar in 3 tablespoons of raw milk. Apply 3 to 4 drops at a time and store the rest for the next use. Raw milk tones your skin by gentle nourishing and hydrating. Sugar helps in rejuvenating your skin by cleaning all the dirt from the skin pores and make your skin more radiant. This natural face serum can help to thoroughly hydrate your skin and make your skin radiant. By preparing this at home, you can proactively care of your skin. You must also remember to take balanced diet food. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.